Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to make you some old-fashioned Southern cauliflower mac and cheese. Now I have a couple recipes on my channel already, but I wanted to remake this for you. Since a lot of you are new to my channel, I wanted to share my new mac and cheese recipe with you. Okay, it's very similar to the old one, just with a little twist here, but it's delicious, so keep watching. So let me get this going. This is my steaming cloth, so I'm gonna place that in my Instant Pot and cook it for 1 minute. I'm gonna release this steam from the pot because I don't wanna overcook the cauliflower mac and cheese. So let me do that. I got the steaming cloth in the Instant Pot here. I'm gonna go ahead and set it for 1 minute on steam. Okay, I have it on sealing. And I'm gonna go ahead and place the Instant Pot on steam. And I'm gonna decrease it to 1 minute. There we go. And after cook for 1 minute, I'm gonna force the Instant Pot to open. Okay, my steamer just went off, so I'm gonna go ahead and release the steam, and that would be on the top of this thing here. I got a damp cloth, but I probably have to get a dry one to do that. See the steam coming out of there. So I'm gonna do that. I'll let you see what it looks like. I added half a stick of butter. You see it down in the pan here. It's melting. I just covered it so that the cauliflower can melt the butter, but it's a half a stick. A half a pack of cheddar cheese. That's 12 ounces, which is going to be 1.5 cups. I'm going to go ahead and add that in there while the cauliflower is warm. Okay, this is what I just added. That's what everything looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning to, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of dried mustard. You see that? And I'm gonna add a little sour cream. That'll be a little bit later. I added all the seasoning to it. Now I'm gonna add probably 2 tablespoons of sour cream. A half a pack of stevia to this. A half a teaspoon of sea salt. I mixed up everything well. And now I will have to grate some more cheese to go in here on top, especially top. And I'm gonna use 4 ounces of this cheese here. And I'm gonna go ahead and shred 8 ounces of this. This will go mainly on the top of the cauliflower mac and cheese. And I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of heavy cream. I'm gonna go ahead and add that right now to it because it has cooled down a lot. So let me go ahead and grate this cheese. This is truly some Southern mac and cheese. It's keto and it's cauliflower, but this is mainly the same way I would cook my regular mac and cheese recipe. So So much is in here. Some is falling out of the bowl, so falling out of the casserole rather. Let me go ahead and pick that up and put it back in here. And I didn't add any black pepper. I try not to use it, but I'm gonna use a little cayenne pepper. That way you won't see anything black in the recipe there. That's just a pinch of cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and I will taste this mac and cheese at the end, so keep watching for that. You're gonna love this recipe here. So let me spread it out because I'm gonna add the Kobe cheese on the top of it. We have already added sharp cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese to the pan here. So I'm just smoothing it out right now. And that looks fantastic.
So what do you need so I can take care of the baby? Yeah.
If you are looking for the old-fashioned Southern mac and cheese, I have quite a few recipes out there. And if you're making mac and cheese for a large family, I have a recipe out there that will make mac and cheese for 26 to 30 people. So it depends on what you're looking for. And I have another cauliflower mac and cheese out there. So there are quite a few recipes out there, but I just wanted to remake this one. Since a lot of you are new to my channel, I just want to let you know I'm a Southern girl and I love cooking Southern food. I cook keto most of the time, but when my family come to town or come for a visit that's not keto, I will cook Southern, old-fashioned Southern food. There is one of my top recipes out there is old-fashioned peach and cobbler. It's made from scratch. The topping is made from scratch. I have 2 peach cobbler recipes out there because I got some questions based on the first one, so I decided I'd remake it because, you know, that was early on when I was cooking. But like I said, I'm a Southern girl and I cook a lot of Southern food and international food. So keep watching my channel. You will find something that you like. And even if you're keto or not keto, you could use these recipes just to lose some weight. If you want to lose weight, you don't have to be keto all the way. But when you eat these recipes, you are eating less carbs. So that's always beneficial for anyone that's trying to lose weight, okay? All right, we're gonna place this in a 350-degree oven for, I would say, probably 20 minutes or less. I just want the cheese to melt because it's already cooked. Everything is cooked. I'm not adding an egg or anything like that to it. So this is an easy cauliflower and mac and cheese recipe. Okay, I baked the mac and cheese for 30 minutes just to melt the cheese. I just turned it on broiled just to brown it just a little bit. So I'll let you know how long I left it on broiled. Hi, I just took this out of the oven and it is bubbling, piping hot. I'm gonna taste this when it cools off, but right now it is definitely hot and it is beautiful. So let me take, it is really looking delicious. Now I allowed this to cook for 30 minutes on 350 degrees and 15 minutes on 450 degrees. I wanted to try to get a brown color on this and it looks delicious. I'm gonna go cut into it so I can get me some good old cauliflower mac and cheese. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at how that looks. That looks amazing. It's juicy, it's creamy, tasty, and delicious. Like I said, this is keto, but don't go crazy with it now. Keto is all about eating small amounts and count your macros now. This is delicious, and so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna taste it. Like I said, it is very hot, so bear with me. I don't want to burn my mouth. Oh boy, that's so good. Everything is perfect. The salt, your sour cream, you can taste that. I'm gonna bend down so you can see this. Look at the cheese. That is some good mac and cheese. If you don't make this keto dish and you want to turn it into a regular dish, use the same ingredients, just change out the cauliflower for your favorite macaroni. All right? So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Oh, look at that cheese. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.